सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। हरि ओम्। So this is the structure of Brahma Sutra. There are 4 chapters: Samanvaya Adhyaya, Avirodha Adhyaya, Sadhana Adhyaya, and Phala Adhyaya. The whole Advaita Vedanta is based on the Brahma Sutras. I will show you how many acharyas have written commentary and worked on this Brahma Sutra. Slowly I will show you. This is Samanvaya Adhyaya. So it brings the harmony between these Upanishadic passages. Avirodha Adhyaya, it removes all the contradictions. Paraspara Virodha, Smriti Virodha, and all that. The Virodha of logic or Yukti Virodha. The third one, the third chapter, it discusses about sadhana, Bahiranga sadhana, Antaranga sadhana. The fourth one, the Phala Adhyaya. So the discussion in this Phala Adhyaya is Mukti. So 3 kinds of Mukti: Jivan Mukti, Videha Mukti, and Karma Mukti. All the Mukti, the fruit is same only. You will not have a different kind of Jivan Mukti 100%, Karma Mukti 80%, and Videha Mukti 60% fruit are same fruit, different methods, same fruit. The experience is same only. So all the 3 acharyas have written commentaries for Brahma Sutras. And the introduction for Brahma Sutra is the Adhyasa Bhashya. Adhyasa means superimposition. Bhashya is the commentary. The theory is going to explain. So yesterday we have started superimposition. Seeing one thing on another thing is called super. Erroneous cognition of taking something to be something else is superimposition. This is a nice definition is given. To remove this superimposition, we need to study Vedanta. So Vedanta, the purpose of Vedanta, to remove this superimposition or misunderstanding. How? By bringing Jiva Brahma Aikya. So Jiva Brahma Aikya is very, very important point. Bringing the Jiva, unity of the self and Brahman by destroying superimposition. When you bring the Jiva Brahma Aikya, superimposition will be destroyed. So this is our problem, and this is our answer. The mathematics also have problem, solution, problem, solution. The whole mathematics problem, solution. Only we know how to make the problem. We don't know how to make the solution. Here he brings a solution. So he is discussing what is your problem and how to get the solution. Thought number 1, yesterday we started impossibility of superimposition. First of all, he says that there is no problem at all. Impossibility of superimposition. Now you are telling, I have superimposition, I have adhyasa, I am suffering from adhyasa. Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya says, sir, first of all, there is no superimposition, sir. How? He started his the discussion here. He says, yesterday we have taken this example. This is fire and this is ball. If you put this iron ball in the fire is getting the quality attributes of the fire. Then the iron ball is getting the attributes of the fire. The fire is, in turn, receives the attributes of iron ball. The mutual superimposition. Here, this is not like the superimposition of one thing is superimposing. We are superimposing one thing on other thing. Here, mutual. You take my quality, I take your quality. It's called mutual superimposition. So fire is receiving the quality of iron ball, iron ball is receiving the qualities of fire. So finally we get fireball. Actually, iron ball has become fireball. Fire doesn't have a shape. Now fire has got the shape. Iron is very cold by nature. Now iron has become hot. So mutual superimposition. So with this example, we'll move forward. Now, hereafter, you have to use the word asmat, yushmat, vishayi and vishaya. So yesterday onwards, you started telling asmat, yushmat, vishayi and vishaya. So you have to forget subject, object, self, not self, and atma, anatma, prakasha, and the darkness. Now you became scholar. Why? Asmat, yushmat, yeah. No atma, anatma. And no subject, object. Asmat, yushmat. When you use this word asmat, yushmat, they understand that, hey, you are from Brahma Sutra. I think you are studying Brahma Sutra. Why? Your terms are changed. Asmat, yushmat. Simple. It's simply changing the terms. So no need to get frightened. You Brahma Sutra, you Brahma Sutra. Sir, term is getting changed, sir. The point is same. Okay? Now, little forward. What is asmat? This Om, Paramatma, Atma, or the subject is asmat. What is yushmat? Body, mind, intellect, perceiver, feeler, thinker, objects, emotions, thought, all the things. So in your, when you go to Bhagavad Gita, this is very easy. Very easy. In Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, say Kshetra, Kshetrajna. Simple. Getting it? If you are familiar in Bhagavad Gita, Kshetra, Kshetrajna. Easy. Just I am referring, don't go there. You should not get question from Kshetra, Kshetrajna. Excuse me, just I am showing. Okay? Kshetrajna, Kshetra. Like that you have to understand. In the BMH chart, as far as the BMH chart is concerned, the Om and other than the Om is Yushmat. So this is Asmat and this is Yushmat. Whatever we are familiar from that only I am getting the thread. Okay, now. So what happens now, if we consider this Asmat as this fire. Consider all this BMH chart, the things, the BMH chart is Yushmat, the iron ball. So the quality of iron ball is superimposed on this Om. The Om's quality is superimposed on this. This is called mutual superimposition. This is what he brought in this first thought. Now see, if you don't like this fire and iron ball, if you don't like, you take the example of gulab jam. Gulab jam. Gulab jam. Like this example you have to bring. Instead of fire and iron ball. Gulab jam. You take the gulab jam. So when you make this, it's a salty gulab jam. First you make. Out of flour, you just make gulab jam. And you make syrup. Syrup is very sweet. The liquid syrup, you just take bowl, anda. Don't take very small. Anyway, this is story. Make anda of syrup. Big bowl. Big anda you made. Syrup, sweet syrup. You just think that syrup is Brahman. All pervading Brahman. Because you made it an anda. Big bowl. So this syrup is Brahman. This what that, they made small what do you call, gulab jam small, the salty one, okay, made up of the flour. This is BMI, body, mind, intellect. There is no sweetness in that. Jata. You have to put this jata, the body, mind, intellect, into this syrup. Okay. Now what happens? This ball goes into the syrup, and syrup goes into this ball. So this is super, or that mutual superimposition. Mutual superimposition. So this goes into that and that goes into this. You understood? In the same way. So the fire goes into ball, the iron quality goes into fire. Mutual superimposition, transferring. You understood? You understood? Now see, so far we have studied the superimposition. Superimposition means you take two dimension of that a rope and bringing the two dimension snake on that. Understood? So one thing should be lying down, other thing should go onward that, lying down on that object. Shell and silver coin, rope and snake. Now this superimposition is three-dimensional superimposition. The gulab jam and syrup is three-dimensional. Getting it? So we are not lying down like this, something is what that, superimposed on our body. No. The whole body itself is superimposition. The whole body, three-dimensional body, okay? This three-dimensional body is superimposition on Brahman. Brahman went inside, this body is in the Brahman. Getting it or not? So this three-dimensional, so you take the example of dream. So dream is superimposition the Brahman, it's a three-dimensional. Are you okay? Your beginning itself, it's very tough here to understand. The ball is three-dimensional or not? So three-dimensional ball is going into fire. The three-dimensional fire is going into ball. This is not like two-dimensional. One thing is lying down, other thing is superimposing on that. No, this is three-dimensional. Okay? If you don't like this ball, take the gulab jam. You take one bowl of gulab jam, put it there, keep it on your table and sit like this. Look at this. Half an hour you will get what is superimposition, mutual superimposition. Now, whatever we studied, now we are going to read it. The first thought is over. The first thought is the Yushmat, Asmat is going on to Yushmat. Yushmat is entered into Asmat. So they became what is superimposed each other. Mutual superimposition. The first thought is over. Now, so our Gurudev made in such a way the tradition, first you read Bhagavad Gita sloka and try to understand its meaning. This is the tradition we follow in Bhagavad Gita as far as Bhagavad Gita is concerned. Almost all the texts we are reading like that, studying like that. Read the sloka and separate this words and try to understand the meaning. In this Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, so we are going to change the style. The style is, first you understand the thought and read the passage. Okay? We are going reverse direction to make it little easier. Otherwise, if I read this first if I read passage, close the topic, close the camera. Very difficult to get. Now, you understood thought, now you are going to confirm whether Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya is right or wrong. Okay? Right. I understood thought. So whatever I understood, I am going to confirm with this line. Ready? So if you go in this way, you can catch the idea very easily. Shall I read? Yeah. So you also should chant. Yeah, good. Yushmad asmad pratyaya gocharayoho. I can see your mouth. Good. Vishaya Vishayinoho. Good. Tama Prakashavate. Very good. Viruddha Swabhavayoho. Good. Itaretara Bhava. Anupapattau Siddhayam. Tadharmanamapi Sutaram iteretara bhava anupapattihi ityataha. I have sent you this paper. This paper, now see this. Yeah. Siddhayam. So here one stem out add. You see the printing mistake is there or not? Near paper. Siddhayam. Okay? Siddhayam. Now see. Yushmate. First word, the asmat. Pratyaya gocharu. There are two notions. What are the two notions? Yushmat, you. Asmat, I. You and I means what? You means object. I means subject. So far we studied, okay? There are two notions. Yushmate, asmat. Object and subject, okay? No need to get frightened. Because the way it starts, I never heard this word. Simple. Object and subject. So this is object. And this is subject. That means what? That anatma and atma. Already you are familiar. Object and subject. Yushmate, asmate, pratyaya gochara, the two notions. Okay. Vishaya vishayinoha. Again, the same word, same object and subject is defined by this vishaya vishayinoha. So that is vishaya and this is vishayi. What the subject is vishayi, object is vishaya. Simple. Atma and other than atma. The terms are very little different. That's why we are getting frightened. When you read this, close immediately. Very hard. There are two notions, which is yushmate, asmate. Otherwise, vishaya, vishayi. So vishayi or asmate or atma. Vishaya, yushmate or object or anatma. Is this okay? The two notions. Very clear, very clear. The two notions. Tama prakashavat. Both are tama and prakasha. So one is prakasha, the atma, another one is tamas, the dull, what is that? The inert, other than atma. Is this okay? Yeah. Tama prakashavat. Tamas is different. Tamas means with the darkness. Prakasha means light. One is light, another one is darkness. What is light? What is the darkness? The subject is light, object is darkness. Getting it? Following it? Yeah. Atma is light, other than Atma, Anatma is darkness. So Tama Prakashavad. Both are, one is Tama, another one is light. Tama Prakashavad. Viruddha Swabhavayoho. Viruddha means both are completely what is that? Different. Extremely opposite. Viruddha Swabhava. What is Viruddha Swabhava? Atma is completely opposite to Anatma. Anatma is Jata. Atma is what that? Light. Viruddha Swabhava. I hope you are following it. Okay, there are two notions. One is Yushmate, Asmate. Vishaya, Vishayi. So these two things are completely dead opposite. One is darkness, another one is light. Simple. You are able to follow. Itara bhava anupapattau siddhayam. So these two things will not come together. It is impossible to make what is that? Bringing together. Because tamas will not join with the light. Light will not go with tamas. Itara bhava anupapattau. Upapatti. Impossible to bring this together. Light never goes with darkness. Darkness never goes with light. Impossible. Upapatti means they get along. Anupapatti, they will not get along. Well, okay? Tad dharmanam api, tad dharmanam. So light and its attributes. Dharma means attributes. What is the attributes of light? The fire, light and heat. Is it okay? Attributes of fire is light and heat. The attributes of iron ball, cold and shape. This coldness and shape. So iron ball and fire. The attributes of fire and attributes of iron ball. This is Tad Dharmanam api. Not only you have to bring this light and darkness, their attributes also cannot be transferred. You are following? Getting it? Tad dharmanam api sutaram itara bhava anupapatti. Itara bhava anupapatti means their attributes also cannot be transferred or exchanged. This is the point in this passage. So this point only we have discussed with this example. We already studied, now we are confirming this passage. Therefore, this is impossible to make superimposition, mutual superimposition. Why? If you want to bring mutual superimposition, there should be a similarity. There is no similarity. Completely viruddha subhava, impossible to make superimposition. Getting it or not? Now see, you have sugar. So you have sugar in the bottle. You have sugar. Sugar also looking like what that? Powder. Powder sugar, the white sugar. And salt also looking like sugar. Okay? If you are similar with the sugar, salt. You find there. In India, you will not find sugar and salt together. The similar shape you will not get. There you find. Both are looking like same. If both are looking like same, then there is possibilities to make confusion. Okay? Yes, only. If both are similar, then possibilities to make confusion. Now, and one more, if you make you make sambar, right? This is moong dal and tur dal. Two dals here. Yeah, tur dal and moong dal. Thoram paruppu and what is that? Kadala paruppu. You say in Tamil. Thoram paruppu and kadala paruppu in Tamil. Tur dal and moong dal. Okay. If you want to make sambar, you what dal you will put? Moong dal or tur dal? Tur dal, done. Tur, eh? Okay. Tur dal. So tur dal is very shining. This bottom, very shining bottom. But color is yellow color, shining bottom. Moong dal will have this it's not very nice surface. Okay? But you put in the transparent bottle with some other thought. Instead of the tur dal, you take moong dal and put in the sambar. Finished. Sambar will become payasam. So you will not get liquid sambar, you will get a semi-solid sambar. Why? Because you are little confused with the similarities. Tur dal and moong dal is similar. Sugar and salt is similar. If you have the similar things, then possibilities to make the confusion are superimposition. See, here the point is there is no possibilities. Why? Completely opposite nature, sir. So one is completely light, another one is completely dark. Getting it? Therefore, Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya says, sir, impossible to make confusion. Why? Light is light, darkness is darkness. Here, viruddha swabhava yoho. Viruddha. How? Like tamaha and prakashvat. One is darkness, another one is light. Impossible to make what that? Misunderstanding. Even then, the misunderstanding happened here. So this is the first point, very logically he brings. If it is similar, possibilities to make confusion. If it is totally opposite, but impossible to make. Even then, you made what that? Impossible as possible. What a great jivas we are all. Huh? That's impossible to make confusion. Still, you made confusion. And then top. See, he's enjoying your mistake. Bhagavan Adi Shankara enjoying your mistake. Hey, this is not possible. How you made, yeah? That is my talent, sir. I can make impossible as possible. He is giving reason. One is a darkness, another one is light. How can you bring light and darkness? So you went to a science exam, but the exam is mathematics. You went and wrote exam also, and you got 60%. Hi, how this is possible? Yeah, for me this is possible. Impossible made possible. So according to Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya, say superimposition impossible. Yeah. Why you are telling superimposition impossible? Because this is one is light, another one is darkness. One is Yushmate, another one is Asmate. So one is Vishaye, another one is Vishaye. Impossible to bring this together. But impossible is made possible. He brought that. First of all, you cannot create the problem, even though you created the problem. Sometimes
Swamiji, we cannot hear you. Swamiji, we cannot hear you.
okay, va?
கேக்குது Swamiji.
Sometimes there's a loose connection, I think. Okay. It's impossible. Now it's made possible. You see the sarcastic thought in that. Bhagavan Adi Shankara, how he is enjoying. First of all, there's no problem. You cannot make problem. But very efficiently you made it. Congratulations. Why? We try to solve it. We try to solve it. Yeah. How doctor, what's that? Sees this patient the same way. No, this is possible. No, impossible. Okay? The first thought is over. The first thought is if it is similar thing, you can superimpose that. If there is no similar thing, viruddha swabhavayoho, like darkness and light, but you made it. It's okay. Anyway, I have medicine, I'll give you, don't worry. You go to doctor, sir, this is my problem. Hey, you should not get this kind of problem. Even then I got, sir. Okay, don't worry, I have medicine for this. So he has medicine for this. Very nice thought, okay? Now, shall I move forward? So you understood this. You understood. So now, first you understand the thoughts, then you study, you will get it very, very clear-eyed. Suppose if I read this and try to explain, definitely it will take more over that strain, stressful over that, the thing to understand, a little stressful. Now it's very clear. Yushmat, Asmat, Pratyay, Gocharayoho, Vishaya, Vishayanoho. There are two things. One is Vishayi, another one is Vishaya. One is Yushmat, another one is Asmat. If you see what is Yushmat, Asmat, Vishayi, Vishayi, first time we hear, that is nothing but object and subject, Atma and Anatma, that's all. Oh, so both are looking like Tama Prakashavat. One is light, another one is darkness. Viruddha Swabhava. Light and darkness completely dead opposite. You know that. Which is impossible. So the two things cannot come. Two things, attributes also cannot come and transfer. But it is transferred and made the problem. Okay? Shall we go to next thought? Now you understood. Shall we move? Good. Okay. Going to next thought. And next thought means this is what that same passage. So I broke this passage. Actually, if you read this, the passage is very big. One big paragraph he has written. So he broke thought by thought. Now, this also you have to read and understand. This we studied. Asmat pratyaya gochare Vishayini Chidatmake युष्मत् प्रत्यय गोचरस्य विषयस्य तद्धर्माणां च अध्यासः okay तद्विपर्ययेण विषयिनः तद्धर्माणां च विषये अध्यासः मिथ्या इति भवितुं युक्तम् ओके ஒன்னும் புரியல nothing I understood now see easy very easy very easy the language is little asmat pratyaya I notion okay I notion I have I notion I means here not ego I the real atma I okay this is not ego I this is a real atma gochare gochare means what that notion asmat pratyaya gochare vishayini what is that asmat vishaya subject okay vishayini and what is that chidatma chit consciousness all these things are adjectives only don't worry adjectives what is that chidatma chit atma consciousness what is that vishayi and what is that asmat pratyay the I notion is vishayi and chidatma you can say nitya shuddha buddha mukta swarupa whatever you want you can put extra I have space here for you only add whatever you want Sat, Chit, Ananda, Nitya, Shuddha, Buddha, Mukta, Swarupa, all these things. Now here there is no space for him. He brought Asmat Pratyay Gochare, the I notion, nothing but Vishayi. And one more thing, this is Chitatma, the Chit consciousness. Okay? Now, what is that? The fire. This is like fire only. What is that? Asmat Pratyaya? Fire. This is fire only. Can you see this fire? Fire. Asmat. Asmat is like fire, and this is Chit, consciousness, and this is Vishayi. The Yushmat. Yushmat means what here? Yushmat, this is Vishaya, because this Vishayi is Vishaya. Getting it? Now, this is iron ball. Iron ball. This iron ball is Vishaya, and this is Vishayi, and this is what that Yushmat, this is Asmat. Now, first, Asmat Pratyay Gochare Vishayini Chidatmake. In this Atma, you superimpose this Vishaya. Getting it? Yushmat Pratyay Gocharasya Vishayasya Tad Dharmanam Cha Adhyasa. Adhyasa means what you are superimposing this. You are superimposing this on this. Okay, first, this is Atma or Vishayi or Asmat Pratyaya, getting a Chidatma. In this, you are superimposing this thing. In the same way, Tat Vipariyena. Vipariyena means the opposite way. Vipariyena, Vishayiraha Tad Dharmanam. This is Vishayi. This Dharma you are superimposing on this. Getting it? Yeah. So the first two lines says that you are superimposing object into subject. You are superimposing subject into object. That's all. Tad vipariyena. Vipariyena means in the opposite direction. Vishayinaha. This is Vishayinaha. Tad dharmanam cha. The attributes of fire, the fire and attributes of fire, you are superimposing on Vishaye. Vishaye adhyasa. Superimposing on the iron ball. Which is impossible. You cannot bring this together. Okay? This is completely darkness. This is completely light. Impossible, but you made it possible. What is the reason? Mithya. This is Bhavitim Yuktam. How you made impossible is possible? Because of the Maya Mithya. Illusion. Getting it or not? The reason he brought. Sir, how you made impossible possible? Because of the Maya Shakti. Mithya Adibhakti. This is illusion. Illusion is the reason. Or non-discrimination is the reason. If you don't like this, just you take this Om. Okay, this Om, and this is me. This is me. You like this? Yeah. This is for that Asmat Pratyaya Gochara. This is Asmat, I notion. This is Chidatma. This is Vishayi. 3 names. Asmat, Vishayi, Chidatma. These are names are given to this Om. Paramatma, Atma, or Brahman, whatever is it. See, I am superimposing this Vishaya. What is the Vishaya? Yushmat. The Yushmat notion or the object or Vishaya, I am superimposing this body into this Atma. In the same way, I am superimposing Atma into this body. That's all. In the same way, Tat Viparyayena. In the same way, in the opposite direction, Vishayinaha Tad Dharmana. This is that Vishayi Tad Dharma. Vishayinaha Tad Dharmana. I am superimposing on the body. Okay, Vishaya Adhyasa. Sir, already you are familiar, you know everything. Already you know everything. Simply you are playing with the words, that's all. I know that you understood. If you go a few classes to the Vedanta class, you understood. Sir, I'm Atma, I'm not body, I know. But now I am very familiar with my body. I forgot my Atma. So we have the experience everywhere. And we understood Atma is different, body is different. But we are not getting experience. That is a problem. Whoever goes to Vedanta class, they say that Aham Brahmasmi. But I am getting angry very now and then. I know Aham Brahmasmi. You? Yes, Aham Brahmasmi. I can't believe. Hey, I am telling Aham Brahmasmi. You are not Brahmasmi. See, don't irritate me, okay? Aham Brahmasmi. Intellectual understanding is different. We are not getting experience. So completely mixed with this Atma and body and Atma, so we don't have this realization to separate these two. Why I forgot this? I'm superimposing this Atma into my body into my Atma. What is the nature? Why I'm superimposing? Even though I intellectually understand, why I'm superimposing, experience is totally different. Because mithya bhavitum yuktam, because of the non-discrimination or maya, we superimpose body into Atma into body. A nature of fire into iron ball's nature into for that fire, which is impossible. First he says this is impossible, but made possible because of mithya bhavitum yuktam. Logically, if you want to give an answer, it's an illusion only. Because of the illusion, we made it. The answer. Okay. Even like idiyappam, you know? Idiyappam. What do you say idiyappam in English? Idiyappam. Noodles.
Right.
Okay, noodles. We take noodles. Noodles, okay? Noodles. You make noodles, it's very difficult to take only one noodle from that whole bunch. If you take one, everything will come. That's why we are struggling. You take noodles, the whole plate is going inside. Why? Completely chickle. Messed with all the things. So which is impossible. I made possible. Everything is very clear. Atma is different, body is different. The body is jada, Atma is light. But now we mixed this together and we are experiencing, I am not body, I am body, I am not Atma. So completely mixed, superimposed each other. Mutual superimposition. Is it okay? Feeling heavy? Bhayangara heavy. It's very simple. Take the example. Fire and ball. Totally different attributes. But they come together and exchange their qualities, mutual exchange happened. In the same way, the inside our Atma is different. The light, the body is jada. When we die, we can see this body is completely jada. The dead body is enlivened by this Atma. Atma entered this body entered this Atma, and which is impossible and made possible. Like or that light and darkness, they cannot come together. Now they came together, mutually superimposed, mutually transferred the qualities. Now we are living very successfully here. Very, very successfully we are living. And we are making so many problems. First of all, our creation itself is problem. The problem itself is creating so many problems outside. He is discussing the root cause of all the problems. Okay? So this passage, don't worry about this. Now see, the first two lines, okay? The first two lines. Okay? First two lines. Here the fire. Iron bar. What first two lines says, okay? So in this fire, you superimpose iron bar's quality. Is this okay? This is two lines says. But and next two lines says, you are superimposing fire on this iron bar. That's all. That's all. Simple. And he says the reason why, which is impossible, how the two mutual about that superimposition is made because of the mithya. Mithya, the illusion. I hope tomorrow you will appear here. Ayyo. It's not very difficult to understand. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. And you also should what that reflect. Then only you will get it. Maximum, I try my best to make it for that simple. Okay. Now see the knowledge. The knowledge. In Sanskrit, we say this is the knowledge. One fourth. First 1/4 knowledge you are getting from the instructor and teacher. Acharyat padam adatte. Okay, you agree? Yes, agree. Because sloka says like that only. Even if you don't agree, the sloka is there. Acharyat padam adat. From the instructor or professor, teacher, you are getting 1/4 of the knowledge. Other 1/4 you are getting by your own reflection. Padam sishyasva medaya. So you have to reflect to get that 1/4. Other 1/4, the third 1/4, Padam sa brahmacharibhya. You just see your fellow students, whatever the mistake they make, just to look at the mistake, you will correct your mistake. Sometimes the students, they made mathematics. Hey, what kind of mistake you made? Oh, so you go and correct your mistake because they made a mistake. From others' mistake, we correct and we come to get knowledge. Padam sa brahmacharyabhya. Padam kalakramena. The time will teach us the 1/4. By experience, we'll get 1/4. This is how we have to get complete knowledge. So now 1/4 we are studying here. Okay. So next 1/4 you have to reflect. Then only we'll get the meaning of this passage. You should not stare at me. No. You have to reflect. So 1/4 you receive, another 1/4 you reflect. Then time will teach you another 1/4. Okay, va? Yeah. So the presentation is a little different. That's why we have a blog about the Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra, you have a blog. And the words also a little different. Therefore, you are not little comfortable. Once if you are okay, then first time you see the person, you are not coming closer together. 2-3 times if you meet, then you become very friendly and make a very deep friends. I tell you, after 1 week, you become very deep friendship with the Brahma Sutra. The thing is, the words are little different. Words are little different. Okay? Asmad pratyay gochare vishayeni chidatmake. That means in Atma. That's all. This is called Asmad. I, Vishaye, Vishayi, and Chidatma. In this So you are superimposing Ushmat Pratyay Gocharasya Vishayasya Tad Dharmanam. You are superimposing. Okay, you are Yushmat. This is Asmat, this is Yushmat. Adadanat. You are superimposing this and this Dharma and this Adhyasa. Adhyasa superimposing. In the same way, you are superimposing this quality into this quality. That's all. Which is impossible, but now it's made possible. If you ask the reason why, the reason is mithya. Because of the mithya, it is made. Okay? This is thought number one. Now try to digest it. Slowly digest it. I'm not going very fast. Try to digest. You get today. I don't have any question. Just tomorrow I'll get more question. I think. Definitely tomorrow I'll get more questions. This is thought number one. Are you comfortable? Shall we move forward? The thought by thought will go. So, if you don't understand, then again I'll do it, then I'll push it forward. This is thought number one. You take the example of fire and a ball. Just to keep the fire and ball and try to understand it. Once if it is okay, just fix it. The fire is Atma, ball is body. That's all. Very simple. Just two examples. Fire, ball, Atma and body. The name is getting changed. Yushmata, Asmata, Vishayi, Vishaya. Avladha. Only. Easy only. Okay, va? Don't get frightened. Don't get frightened. Okay. The first thought is like injection. When you go to doctor takes big injection. As soon as you see the injection, ayyo. Nothing. Pusk. Doctor injection the same. The first thought is over. Shall we move to the next thought? Slowly? Yeah. Thought by thought. Thought number superimposition established. Now superimposition, impossible superimposition first is it. Now is established. Even though this is not possible, established. The problem is established. What is that? Now this fire, the ball. Again fire and ball will take. This is a very easy example. Now see here. Nature of Adhyasa, identifying each other. What is the nature of Adhyasa? Identifying each other. The iron ball's quality and fire's quality. Identifying each other. Okay? The next point. Cause of the Adhyasa is non-discrimination or mithya. If you ask why the superimposition happened, non-discrimination or mithya. We are not discriminate. We are not discriminate our problem. That's why. If you sit little and if you give attention, if you discriminate, the problem is over. Avichara kurto bandha vicharena nivartate. Vidyaranya Swami says in Nataka Deepa in Panchadashi. Avichara kritaha. Because I am not doing a discrimination. Avichara kritaha bandha. Because of non-discrimination, I bound. Vicharena nivartate. If I do discrimination, then the bondage goes away. So because of non-discrimination, the cause of Adhyasa. And the third point, the result of Adhyasa. Because of the Adhyasa, sir, let it be there. Why you are analyzing this problem? We are also every day coming and spending 1 hour in front of my computer. Superimposition, then let it be there. All the best. Why you are struggling? No, because of the superimposition, the result of the Adhyasa is I am this is mine. So we are suffering from aham mama. The suffering is there. That's why we are analyzing to get away from the superimposition. Aham idam, mama idam. I-ness and minus. That is the root cause of all the problems in our life. Whenever you say I, this is you. My idea, your idea. If you're living the same family for more than 20 years, suffering like anything. I do not know when I am going to get liberation. Oh my Lord, take me first. We say, living in the family and the office, suffering like anything. So the result of adhyasas, this I am this is mine. The three thoughts are established. When you establish the superimposition, these are the result. Nature identifying each other. Cause, not discrimination. What is the result? I am this, ahamidam, mamaidam. Is it okay? The second thought is very, very simple to understand. The nature, cause and result. The root cause. What is the result? This is the result. Why we are analyzing this? Because when you understand the cause, when you remove the cause, the result will go away. When you remove the cause, the result will go away. When I remove this I-ness and minus, I am free from the bondage. For that only we are analyzing these points. Okay? Shall we move? Now you understood. Whatever you understood in the second thought, now you are going to confirm. Getting it? First we are not reading the passage and studying this. First you study and understand, then you read the passage. It goes little easier. Okay? Sometimes now see. So the tablet is there and water is there. First you put this tablet. First you put this tablet, you get different feeling. Then afterwards you put this water. Now put the water first and the tablet second, okay? Water goes first, then tablet goes in. In the same way, first you understand this, water, then tablet comes. Okay? Then tablet comes. In the same way. There's a small difference. Both the things will go inside only, with a small difference. Make it a little easier. Now you read it. Tathapi anyonyasmin anyonyatmagatam anyonya dharmanscha adyasya itare avivekena atyanta viviktayoho dharma dharminoho. Okay. Mithya ajnana nimittaha satyanrite mithuni kritye ahamidam mamedamiti naisargikoyam loka vyavaharaha. Simple, very, very simple. Don't get frightened because looking at this passage. If you don't look, if you look at this passage, if you frightened, just to close and read. Anyonasmin, anyonyatmagatam. Just to close and read it. Very simple. Tathapi. Anyonyasmin, anyonyatmagatam. Anyonya dharmamscha adyasya. Generally we say the anyonya we say, the practical life also, anyonya. Whenever you see new friend, you go very close. So sometimes the office also, new friend, oh, after 1 week, oh, yo. They'll separate quickly. They come very close. And eating the same plate. One plate and juice and 2 straw. Why? Anyonyasmin anyonyatmagatam. Now you understood. Coming so close. So anyonyasmin anyonyatmagatam. So this quality goes to that object, that quality goes into this anyonyasmin. We are very, very close friends. Oh, how long? Just 1 week. Afterwards, opposite direction. Viruddha dharma. So it's bringing a very nice word. Anyonyasmin anyonyatmagatam. So this quality goes into this and this quality goes into this. The same point only. Anyonya dharmamsa adyasya. So one is taking other's quality, other one is taking this quality. Itara itara avivekena atyanta viruddha. Again, is the atyanta viruddhayoho. Both are completely different. Completely different. Dharma dharminoho. Their dharma is different, their attributes are different. Now see, dharma dharminoho means fire and fire's attribute. Iron ball's attribute. Are you getting it? Atyanta viviktayoho. Atyanta vivikta, both are completely different. Their objects are different, their qualities are different. Dharmi means what that object. Dharma means their attributes. Fire, dharmi. The fire is dharmi and the heat and light is dharma. Are you getting it? Now see, object and its attributes, that's all. You look at me, I am different, my attributes are different. Are you getting it? When I say I am dharmi, when I have the qualities, my dharma. Getting it? So the object and its attributes, that's all. Object and its attributes, both are completely different. Atyanta viviktayoho. The same point is repeating here. Mithya ajnana nimittaha. Everything is happening because of mithya ajnana. Are you getting it? Because of this illusion, ignorance. Mithya ajnana nimittaha. Satyanrite. Satya means what that truth. Anrita means what that false. Truth and false. This both the things are mithunigritya, mixing together. Okay, mixing together. Mixed together. Mithunigritya together. Like mixture. That's why this is called a mixture. You bring all the things put together and mix it. Mithunigritya. Aham idam, mama idam. This is me and that is mine. This is me. Aham idam. This body is me. Aham idam. And other things are mama. Mama idam. Idam aham. All the things are mama. Aham idam mama idam. Idi naisargikoyam. Natural. Completely naturally we get that feeling. When we take birth, naturally we get aham idam mama idam. Naturally it comes. Loka vyavaharaha. Not only this feeling we are getting, whole world is getting this feeling. Inus and minus. Now the Loka vyavahara started. Now we are taking this Loka vyavahara and we are trying to solve the problems of Loka vyavahara. Loka vyavahara means what? Family problem, social problem, national problem, international problem. All the problems local or the Loka vyavahara. The root cause of Loka Vyavahara is Aham Mama. Are you getting it? The result is what that Loka Vyavahara naturally, and we get this problem Aham Mama. The result is Aham Mama. What is the cause? Mithya Ajnana Nimittaha Satyandrite Mithunikrita. Mithya Ajnana. Cause of the Adhyasa, non-discrimination. Just the earlier slide we studied. What is the cause? Mithya ajnana nimitta. Mithya ajnana. Non-discrimination. What is the result? Ahamidam, mamaidam. Getting it? What is the nature of adhyasa? Anyonyasmin, anyonyatmakatan, anyonya dharmamsha adhyasya. Coming together. Mixing together. Nature of adhyasa. This is nature of adhyasa, okay? Nature of adhyasa, mixing together, superimposing each other. Anyonyasmin, anyonyatmagatam, anyonya dharmamsa adhyasya. Atyanta viviktayo. Even though they are completely different, they mix together. Okay, dharma dharminoho, aviveka. Because of this mithya ajnana nimitta and aviveka. Are you getting it? This is point number 1. This is point number 2. What is the cause? Aviveka, mithya ajnana nimitta. Non-discrimination. And what is the result? Ahamidam, mamaidam. This is third point. So 3 points we studied in the earlier slide. What is the nature of adhyasa? Mixing together. What is the cause of adhyasa? Aviveka, mithya ajnana. Are you getting non-discrimination? What is the result of adhyasa? Ahamidam, mamaidam. This is me and that is mine. Then what happens? Now I started living the samsara life. completely I have forgotten my root cause of the problem. Now I am going to solve all the family problem, social problem, international problem, national problem. Now Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya says that, sir, you have taken the Loka Vyavahara and involved in the Loka Vyavahara and trying to solve the problem. Now I am telling you the root cause of all the problems. Go back, find out your root. Because of your adhyasa, you are non-discriminated. So you got adhyasa. Because of adhyasa, you get aham mama. Because of the aham mama, you get all the loka vyavahara. Is it heavy? Just leave this. Go back. Nature of adhyasa, identifying each other. Fire and iron ball. Have you understood? Yeah, you got it. Cause of adhyasa, aviveka or mithya ajnana, non-discrimination. The result of adhyasa, I am this is mine. Have you understood? This is enough. If you understood this, just leave this. Don't like this, okay? Already you don't like this. Just leave this. Only you take this. This is more than enough. Follow. This is what you have to understood. You understood. I understood this. Why you brought this unnecessarily, sir? Because this is original. I have to tell you. Otherwise, you must be having some doubt. Is this your idea or Adi Shankarachary's idea? You may ask me. This is his idea only. If you understand this, leave it. No need to read this. To confirm only, to show you the real, the original, I brought this. Otherwise, if you are comfortable, just leave this. Okay? I will do one thing. Tomorrow, I am not showing this. I am not showing and frightening this. Just leave it. You understand this part, we will move forward. Okay, va? Because tomorrow you have to come. That's why I am telling like this. Tomorrow, don't worry. Because this takes more time. This is, I'll show you, this is original, sir. And this is you have to understand, sir. This much is okay. Okay? Don't feel bad. Tomorrow come, okay? Tomorrow you should not show all the things. Otherwise we will not come. Okay. Tomorrow I will not show. This is frightening. This is meant for scholars. But you have to understand this. You understand this. But anyway, I have to read it. I will read it. When I explain this, close your eyes and close your ears. Okay? And this is the essence I will tell you. And this essence you have to understand. If you are a scholar, then if you want to show the scholarliness to other people and you want to read, then you can read this. Otherwise, this is more than enough. So this is the point. You understood this. All the English part you understand, and Sanskrit part just you can sleep little. Whenever English comes, open your eyes. Okay, that is the point. So don't worry about this. Because I have to explain, that's why I explained. Today I saw your faces. Very nice reaction you showed. When I show this, so tomorrow, so don't worry, I will not focus much on this. With this, we will move forward. Okay, va? Because now online, we have very limited thing only. Anyway, I can see your reactions. Tomorrow we'll get. Thought by thought we'll go. I'm not, what is that, rushing. Thought by slowly. So two thoughts we understood. The first thought is impossible and made possible. The second thought, nature of adhyasa, cause of adhyasa, and what is that, result of adhyasa means superimposition. Superimposition. Okay, you understood two thoughts. Tomorrow you will forward. Okay? You are all nice students. Tomorrow also you have to come. Okay? Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.